Srila Prabhupada, how did Chota Haridas achieve perfection by killing himself after apparently pouring water on his devotional feet when he was talking to a woman?
His instance was that even an associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can fall down. And if one falls down, his punishment is that, suicide. There is no other punishment. He must commit suicide. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's style. Otherwise, he is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's personal servant. He cannot fall down. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed this instance that even one is my personal servant, he can fall down. And if anyone, by any cause, he falls down, his punishment is he must commit suicide. This is instance.
Very strict.
Oh, yes. He has fallen down, he must commit suicide. No one may associate.
Is that the same as in the Bhagavad Gita where Krishna says, for one who is honored, dishonor is worse than death?
Yeah. That is another. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's personality taught to be victimized by Maya, there is possibility of Jaya Vijaya. They are gatekeepers in the Vaikuntha. They also fell down. So, this fall down, there is possibility at any moment because we are very small. We can be captivated by Maya at any moment. Therefore, we shall be very, very careful. And if you fall down, then punishment is you make suicide. That's all. Then next life we shall see.
But Srila Prabhupada, in the Nectar of Devotion, it says devotional service is so pure that there's no prayaschitta necessary. Just again engage in your service.
Yeah. This is not prayaschitta. This is exemplary punishment. He was not liable to be punished. But claim that this is it, this should be.
He did not kill himself immediately. He waited